Hi everyone, welcome back to Equal tutorial. In this tutorial I'll teach you guys how to blend image or how to blend two images in Photoshop CC 219. Yeah, so let's start. Now we first of all click on the lasso tool and cut the part of the picture you want to blend with the other picture. Yeah, we cut it out. Let's cut it out. Now after this, press Ctrl C, then create another layer, press Ctrl V to paste it, then delete the original picture. Yeah. Now let's merge this image with the one at the back. Yeah, let's merge them. I know it may be a little bit difficult to match this picture because the shape of their face are not the same, so it's still possible. So let's go. Yeah, keep on making some adjustments. Okay, let's press Ctrl T to transform it. Yeah, after that right click and click on warp. Now let's make some adjustment to it. Let's drag it. Yeah, let's drag it a little bit. Yeah, let's keep on dragging it till we get what you want. So let's click OK. Now let's click on erase tool to erase some parts of the picture. Yeah, let's erase some part of the picture that will not be needed in this tutorial. Yeah, let's erase them. So I hope you'll be able to understand this tutorial, because I try my best to make this to be simple and more plain to everyone that's going to watch this tutorial. Yeah, I try to make it more simple so that you'll be able to understand it. So after this, hold Ctrl key and click on this picture and click on the other layer. Click on select, click on modify, then click on contrast. Now the contrast is 12. I choose 12 for it. After that, click OK. Now if you found out the gap was here before, now it shifted from here to here. So that's the effect of that contrast on the picture. Now after that, let's press delete. If you can see, the face of Will Smith have been deleted. Yeah, you need to do that, because if you will do that, that means our work will, that means it's not going to work here. So after that, click on first layer, click on second layer, then click on edit, locate auto blend layer and click on it. Make sure you click stack images and make sure your seamless tone and colors and content away fill transparent areas are clicked. But remember, in Photoshop CX6 and below, you won't be able to see this option. What you'll be able to see in Photoshop CX6 below will be panorama. Yes, this panorama is what you see in Photoshop CX6 and below, but this Photoshop is the higher version of it. This is Photoshop CC 219. So if you want to get an accurate design or image, you need to get Photoshop CC 219 also. Yeah, so after that you click OK. Now you see something here. It will change the color of the skin. It just changed the color of the skin to match that of Will Smith, and yeah, to match that of Will Smith, and created another layer for itself. Yeah, that's it. Now this layer, the function of this layer is to cover the place that are being shown. Like, let me say here now you can see this gap here. There are some gaps at the forehead. Yeah, you can see all those gaps, even at the bears. There are gaps there, but this layer you are seeing here now will automatically cover these gaps. Yeah, so I think that's all for this tutorial. This is how to blend two images together without any stress. Yeah, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like our video, and as well subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified whenever we release our next video. Leave a comment below so that we know the areas we will help you with. So thank you. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. Thanks a lot.